We'll start by reviewing the frames at the top. We see that there's a black triangle, circle and square, and a line that connects some of them. Let's begin our analysis with the black square. And we spot a clear rule. With each frame, the black square moves clockwise to the centre of each side of the frame. That's our first rule. That rules out answer options C and E. Let's move on to the black triangle. It also seems to follow a clear pattern. We notice that it moves one space vertically with each frame, and it changes direction once it reaches the edge of the frame. That's our second rule. And that rules out D. The next item to look at is the black circle. That's a bit of a challenge, since it's not visible in frame 3 or 5. However, on closer inspection, we realise that it's being covered by the square in those two frames. So we see that it moves one space downward with each frame, and once it reaches the bottom, it reappears at the top. That's our third rule. After being covered by the square at the bottom of frame 5, it'll reappear at the top in the next frame. So the correct answer is A.